Warm greetings from Scilab, your friend in laboratory. Today, Scilab proudly presents product overview of Daihan Scientific Refrigerator and Freezer Range. Daihan Scientific is a total laboratory solution provider in Korea. Daihan freezers are designed with special features such as triple-layer gasket for ultimate insulation, power door handle with locking function, inner door handle to ease opening of frosted door, easy external door opening with O2 vacuum dissolver, smart lab control module with easy temperature setting and monitoring, large recorder compliant to medical use application. First ULT model is -95°C Duo Freeze Double Security Freezing. 4 sizes available are 400, 500, 700 and 800 liters. For laboratory range, Duo Freeze can be configured with 4 or 5 chamber. For medical use, Duo Freeze comes in 4 chamber design with recorder. Second ULT model is -86°C Uni-Freeze Single Compressor Model. Uni-Freeze has 4 sizes available, which are 400, 500, 700 and 800 liters. For laboratory range, Uni-Freeze can be configured with 4 or 5 chamber. For medical use, Uni-Freeze comes in 4 chamber design. Third ULT model is -45°C Uni-Freeze Single Compressor Model. -45°C Uni-Freeze has 6 sizes available, which are 25, 80, 400, 500, 700 and 800 liters. Medical use -45°C Uni-Freeze is now available for order. Furthermore, Daihan offers high-performance laboratory refrigerator of 0°C to 10°C and medical use refrigerators of 2°C to 10°C. Sizes available are 150, 300, 600 and 1,300 liters. Glass and solid door design are available for order. All Daihan freezers and refrigerators receive approval and certification of medical use from MFDS of Republic of Korea, CE Mark, UL Mark, Good Design Mark, Smart Factory Mark, ISO 9001 and ISO 13485. Daihan Scientific, a total laboratory solution provider in Korea. Brought to you by Scilab, your friend in laboratory.